Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition. Now it's actually going to allow me to head to the DoodleBob dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the DoodleBob dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition SpongeBob SquarePants DoodleBob dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, but before I show you guys this absolutely amazing dimension, I do just want to say, if you have not subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and slam that red subscribe button, guys, because we are so very, very close to 200,000 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, then I thank you so very much for your support. But everything you're going to need to head to this dimension is in my inventory, so what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need white wool, and you're going to place two of them just in the middle like that. And then what you're going to need is you're going to need black wool. You're going to place one of those on each side of the white wool. Then you're just going to go ahead, jump on up on this side, and place 1, 2, 3 white wool, and then 1 black wool. And then you just want to look around, make sure you don't see any suspicious activity, guys. Oh my god, what was that? Whoa, guys, I promise you, I heard something come from back there. I think DoodleBob might be back there with his pencil of doom. I hope not, though, guys, I really hope not. But you just want to fill that in like that, guys, and put 1 black wool, then jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, gorgeous frame you have just created to go meet DoodleBob. Let's light this baby up. Boom! DoodleBob, DoodleBob. That looks amazing, guys. Wow! But now it's time to go ahead and grab our TNT and head on into this baby. Whee! Oh my god. I just jumped straight through. I cannot believe that one, guys. Hopefully this loads up quick, though, guys. I'm not an old man in the senior home. Wow, that loaded up quick, guys. And oh my god, I see Squidward. He's out in his yard. And I think there might be a Squidward in that window. Oh my god, I just seen something go past SpongeBob's window. Oh my god, guys, I did not see what it was, though. Let me go ahead and spawn my pig. A baby pig? Really? Really? Look at that guy. There's no way that little guy's going to be able to help me out. He's hiding. I cannot believe that. I need to take him over to Sandy's and have her work on him and turn him into a big pig or something, guys. But I promise you, I seen something over in that window. I'm going to take some TNT and go find out what it is. Do you know what it is, Squidward? Can you help me out, Squidward? Have you noticed any suspicious activity going on lately? What's up with your big nose? Oh my god, he's running, guys. He is running. Obviously, he has something to hide. And oh my god, over there's another Squidward. DoodleBob's obviously duplicating the Squidwards with his pencil. Oh my god, that must be an evil Squidward because he's trying to sneak up behind me and probably give me like a super mega wedgie. And look at him, he's running away now because he knew I'd have like kung pout his tongue right out of his mouth or something if he would have tried to do that to me, guys. But oh my god, this is an absolutely amazing kitchen with an absolutely amazing view of Squidward. It has this nice table where I could sit down and eat some delicious Krabby Patties. And it also has a grill where I could cook some delicious Krabby Patty and put 2 pickles instead of 1 pickle on the Krabby Patty. And oh my god, it's on my favorite channel too, guys. The black and white station. Yeah, I really love this place, guys. I'm going to put some TNT under there for good luck, because everything else could blow up, and the TV will still be standing, because it's just a good luck measures. Oh my pickles. Wow, it is DoodleBob in the flesh. You know what? You know what, DoodleBob? I'm going to jump on your bed. And there's nothing you can do about it. Oh my god, I was testing him. Ooh, I hit him that time, guys. I hit him that time. What do you want, son? What do you want? You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to jump on your bed. Yeah, that's right. Oh my god, he blocked me. But look, I can still see him. Ooh, I see you. And there's nothing you can do. Does that bother you? Boom. Oh my god, he just hit me. Well, maybe there's something you can do. Boom. Wow, guys, he's tougher than I thought. Boom. Oh my god, that was a headshot and it didn't even kill him. Come on. Ooh, side hit. Oh my god. He's way too good for me, guys. Ooh. You know what? I'm going to have to blow this sucker up. I am going to have to blow this sucker up. You know what? I'm blowing you up. And then after I blow you up, I'm going to tell Mr. Krabs. And Mr. Krabs going to come over here with his claws and choppity chop chop that pencil, if you know what I mean. But I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bumsio. Oh, my God. Whoa. Oh, my God. Did you guys see how high I was up in the air? And whoa. That absolutely destroyed DoodleBob's house. But whoa, look guys, the TV actually survived, guys. I told you guys that was a good luck measure. If you want to protect anything you love, and you really want to protect, make sure you put some TNT under it, guys, because it will keep it safe. But Squidward did some really bad stuff to us back there, guys. And now I'm going to have to blow the nose off of his house, guys. I'm just going to go like, bowie, and then his nose is going to be off of his house, and I guess he's going to have like a noseless house. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. Ooh, pow, wow. Whoa, guys. Now it's like half of his nose is there, half of his nose isn't. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.